Do you want cleaner vocals in FL Studio? Well, you don't need a studio, just a clear strategy. If you're tired of muddy vocals or confusing tutorials, this one's for you. I'm Steve, producer and creator of Project Feelz. After helping thousands of artists online, I built this bootcamp to be fun and simple, especially for FL Studio users. You'll learn how to record, process, and polish your vocals using a very simple workflow, with hands-on lessons and real results. Over 2,000 artists have already joined the journey, and this time you get exclusive access to live feedback calls, resources, and a private Discord. So, don't miss the launch. Enroll now, take control of your sound, and finally feel confident mixing your vocals in FL Studio. Because, let's keep it real, FL Studio can sound super clean if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, pulling up fast, I cannot crash, I cannot get enough. Look at my past, always at class, I can go back enough. On the weekend, looking at ass, but you're still not man enough. Break like glass, take no chance, you can be dead tonight.